The birth of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is a day of great joy and celebration for Muslims all over the world. This auspicious occasion, known as Eid Milad Nabi or Mawlid al-Nabi in Arabic, literally means the Prophet's Day. It is observed on the 12th day of Rabi al-Awwal, the third month of the Islamic calendar. But why do Muslims celebrate this day? And what are some of its unique traditions? In this video, we will guide you through everything you need to know about this special holiday and what it means for Muslims everywhere. So make sure to watch till the end. Welcome and please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for your support. Why do Muslims celebrate Eid Milad Nabi? To start, let's look at the importance of this holiday in Islam. The significance of celebrating Eid Milad Nabi lies in commemorating the birth of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who is revered as the last and final prophet of God. Muslims believe that he was sent with the message of Islam to guide humanity towards the path of righteousness and peace. The prophet's birth is not only a historical event, but also a pivotal moment in the course of human history. It marks the beginning of a new era of faith and the continuation of previous prophetic traditions. By celebrating his life, Muslims reaffirm their commitment to his teachings and the values of Islam. It is a day to reflect on the Prophet's exemplary character, his contributions to humanity, and the impact he has had on shaping the course of history. Through this celebration, Muslims seek to emulate the Prophet's example, striving to uphold justice, compassion, and peace in their own lives and communities. They remember his teachings of tolerance, understanding, and brotherhood, and they recommit themselves to living according to the principles of Islam. Overall, Eid Milad Nabi is a joyous occasion for Muslims to come together and celebrate their faith, heritage, and the legacy of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Now that we understand the importance of this day, let's take a closer look at some of the unique traditions and customs associated with it. One of the most prominent symbols of Eid Milad Nabi is the crescent moon. The holiday is observed on the 12th day of the Islamic month of Rabi al-Awwal, which can fall in December or January on the Gregorian calendar. The sighting of the new moon marks the beginning of the celebrations. Just like other Muslim holidays, there is no mention in the Quran or the Prophet's teachings about decorating homes or public spaces with specific colors or symbols. However, over the years, people have started decorating their houses and streets with green banners, flags, and balloons to show their excitement for the day. The color green holds deep significance in Islam, representing nature, Islam, and the Prophet's legacy. Many Muslims also put up colorful displays of lights and lanterns to illuminate their homes and neighborhoods, creating a festive atmosphere. These decorations serve as visual reminders of the occasion, fostering a sense of community and shared identity among Muslims as they come together to honor the Prophet's birth. Another important tradition is the exchange of greetings. During Eid Milad Nabi, Muslims express their joy and reverence for the Prophet by exchanging special greetings and messages. People greet each other with phrases like, "Happy Prophet's Day," or "May the blessings of Allah be upon the Prophet." These greetings reflect the deep affection and admiration Muslims have for their Prophet. Friends, family members, and neighbors take this opportunity to visit one another, sharing sweets, gifts, and warm wishes. The exchange of greetings not only spreads happiness and joy, but also strengthens bonds of brotherhood and camaraderie within the Muslim community. It's a time for Muslims to come together, exchange gifts, and share in the spirit of celebration, renewing their commitment to their faith and the Prophet's teachings. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, placed great emphasis on the importance of family and community. He taught his followers to treat their relatives with kindness, generosity, and respect. In honor of this teaching, many Muslims take the opportunity during Eid Milad Nabi to visit their families and strengthen their bonds. Family gatherings become even more special as they come together to celebrate the Prophet's life and legacy. During these gatherings, family members exchange gifts, share meals, and create lasting memories. Additionally, Muslims often take the time to visit elderly relatives, offering them care, companionship, and support. The Prophet's teachings extended beyond the family unit, encompassing the entire community. Eid Milad Nabi is also a time for Muslims to reach out to their neighbors, friends, and those in need. They may visit sick individuals, offer assistance to the elderly, or contribute to charitable causes. By extending a helping hand, Muslims strive to emulate the Prophet's example of compassion and generosity, making it a point to help those in need and spread happiness within their communities. Religious scholars and community leaders often organize special events, such as lectures, seminars, and cultural programs to commemorate the Prophet's life and teachings. These events provide an opportunity for Muslims to deepen their understanding of the Prophet's teachings and reflect on his contributions to humanity. Lectures and sermons delivered during these events often cover various aspects of the Prophet's life, including his early childhood, his journey as a prophet, and his enduring legacy. They also highlight the relevance of his teachings in contemporary times and offer guidance on how to apply his teachings to everyday life. Cultural programs play an integral part in the festivities, showcasing traditional music, dance, poetry, and drama that celebrate the Prophet's life and values. These performances not only entertain the audience, but also serve as a means to preserve and transmit Islamic culture and heritage to younger generations. Community members of all ages come together to appreciate the richness of their cultural traditions and the timeless wisdom contained in the Prophet's teachings. These educational and cultural events enrich the Eid Milad Nabi celebrations, providing Muslims with a deeper appreciation for their faith and the Prophet's legacy. They serve as reminders of the importance of upholding Islamic values, promoting peace, and contributing to the betterment of society. It is common for Muslims to decorate graves, particularly those of their loved ones, with flowers and ornamental items to show their devotion and remembrance. Some Muslims may also visit the graves of the Prophet's companions or other notable figures in Islamic history. At the gravesite, they engage in acts of worship such as reciting prayers, seeking forgiveness, and reflecting on the transience of life. This practice serves as a reminder of the equality of all Muslims in death and the importance of honoring those who have passed away. Visiting graves during Eid Milad Nabi is an opportunity for Muslims to strengthen their connection with their faith and heritage while also paying their respects to the individuals who are buried there. As the day of Eid Milad Nabi approaches, the air is filled with the aroma of delicious food and sweets. Traditional recipes are prepared and shared among family members and friends, creating a festive culinary experience. One popular sweet associated with the occasion is the Prophet's cookie or manish. These cookies often have a special shape or design and are made with ingredients that were available during the Prophet's time. The preparation and sharing of these treats not only add to the celebratory atmosphere, but also serve as a way to pass down culinary traditions from one generation to the next. Families come together in their kitchens, kneading dough, rolling out shapes, and adding decorative touches, creating sweet memories while honoring the Prophet's legacy. The exchange of homemade sweets becomes a symbol of love, generosity, and the joy that accompanies this special holiday. In conclusion, the Prophet's Day, or Eid Milad Nabi, is a joyous occasion for Muslims worldwide to celebrate the birth of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. It is a time to reflect on his life, teachings, and the profound impact he has had on shaping the course of human history. From religious ceremonies and community gatherings to the exchange of greetings and the preparation of traditional sweets, each tradition plays a significant role in honoring the Prophet's legacy and strengthening the bonds of faith and brotherhood among Muslims. As the celebrations unfold, Muslims around the globe come together, renew their commitment to their faith, and strive to emulate the Prophet's example of compassion, generosity, and peace. So on this auspicious occasion, let us join the Muslim community in celebrating Eid Milad Nabi and reflecting on the timeless wisdom and teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. We hope you enjoyed this guide to Eid Milad Nabi and found it informative and enjoyable. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Click on the like button below the video. If you want to be updated on upcoming videos, hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. Also, feel free to drop your thoughts, comments, or suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.